Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lannie. If you are new here, welcome. So I was just about to do my hair, so I thought I would take you guys along with me to do just that. I'm just gonna stick with my go-to, which is a wash and go. So I just have my spray bottle with water here in case my hair gets too dry. My leave-in of choice is going to be the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner. It looks like this. I love this leave-in conditioner. It's really good. And I was just about to use my go-to, which is my Extreme Wet Line Gel. Y'all have seen this on my channel several times. I either use this or my Eco Slay, but today I wanted to use my my Wet Line. But as I was getting out my my gel, I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, I have not used this in a long time. And this is the Auntie Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curl Gel, and this was super popular years ago, and I haven't used this probably since, it's probably been over a year since I've used this gel, or longer. I've only been natural for almost 2.5 years, and yeah, I haven't used this gel in forever, so it's a good bit in here. I might be able to get do my whole head with this gel. Either way, I wanted to use it up. I don't like to waste product, so I know this will get used regardless, but so when I saw this, I was like, why not just go ahead and use it up. So like I said in the beginning, my hair is freshly washed and conditioned, and this thing is filled with water because my hair is soaking wet. I'm going to put this away. You guys, you may hear my kids in the background. All right, so what we are going to do now is, I don't need to add any water right now because it's still really wet. I'm going to go ahead and add in my conditioner, and this stuff smells awesome. So I'm going to take several pumps of this conditioner. This is how it looks. It's really creamy, and I'm going to put that all over my hair. When I'm being good, I like to section my hair first before applying my leave-in conditioner, but this is okay too, as long as you try to work it in, it's okay. So I'm gonna definitely need more conditioner. I don't like to be skimpy with my conditioners. I like for my hair to be moisturized, especially if I'm going to be using something drying like a gel. I need for my hair to be moisturized, so I'm going to apply more of that leave-in conditioner. And make sure you get the middle of your head, you guys. We always kind of neglect these middle pieces here, and just have leave-in conditioner on the top of our strands, but we got to open up the hair and get these little pieces as well. And also, we don't want product just sitting on top. We want to work it in as much as possible. And the prayer hands method works best for me, so I use that a lot. I tend to always start my hair off in the back, and it's usually on the left side for no particular reason, but so I'm just gonna take out a piece, not too big. So I'm just gonna get my detangler that I got from my local beauty supply store. If you guys saw my last hair video of me doing my daughter's hair, and I did her hair in like some box braids, I used the same detangler on her hair, and I really like it. So as you guys can see, like, it took no time for me to detangle this section of my hair. I'm gonna take my Auntie Jackie's gel. It doesn't really, has like a fresh scent to it. And I'm gonna, like I said, it's been a while since I've used this product, so hopefully it works out. If not, of course, I have my go-to for backup. So I'm just gonna apply just a small amount of gel, and I definitely need more. Okay. That's pretty good, y'all. I haven't used this thing in forever. I hope it's not expired. I don't know when. Child, whatever. I'm still gonna use it. I don't see a date or nothing on it, but it's looking good. Gonna do the same thing. Get some gel, rub that together, apply. Rub, and then I like to, all right, rake. From what I remember, this product is not expensive at all, you guys, which is a plus for me. Not expensive at all. So yeah, I might need to put this back on my faves list, because this is giving me exactly what I wanted. Done with the back part of my head. I was going to make that one section, but let me just go ahead and break this up into two. I'm done applying the product. So this is how my hair is looking wet. And the good thing about this too, I didn't have to use a ton of it. I do still have some more. I'm definitely going to have to repurchase this. I have not been purchasing like new products that's been coming out for natural hair. I've been doing a lot better with just sticking to the Old Faithfuls, things that I know that's going to work on my hair. But when I saw this, I was like, I don't know why exactly I stopped using it, and then now I'm applying it to my hair. I still don't know exactly why I stopped using it, but because it works and it's inexpensive, I'm definitely going to be adding this to my go-to list. So of how my hair is looking so far. How bouncy, and my hair feels like really light. It doesn't feel way down at all. It feels really light. All right, so if I were to let this air dry, which I am not, I don't like air drying my hair unless I'm doing like a twist out or a flexi rod set or something like that. Then I'll, let it air dry overnight. I don't like walking around with wet hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer until my hair is completely dry. So I will see you guys back when my hair is dry. All right, you guys, so my hair is about 90% dry. It's not 100% dry yet, but that's okay. I will usually, rock it like this, so my little side part. But I want to do something a little bit different. But before I do that, let me give you guys a 360 of how my hair is looking. It feels really soft, not like super crunchy like how my my wet line or my Eco Slay, they make my hair feel really hard. But as I've said in other videos, I don't mind it because I know that my hair is going to last. So hopefully this will last me as well, but it feels really good. It feels soft and it looks defined. So yeah, I want to go ahead and style it. I don't want my hair in my face today, so lift this part up and I'm just going to go around one time. One time. Don't pop on me. I don't want it to be tight. And fluffing it out some. She's getting some liquor. Alright, you guys, so that is it. I am really liking how my hair came out. I will say the Auntie Jackie's is not as strong, or it doesn't make my hair as crunchy as my other two gels that I mentioned earlier, my Wet Line and my Eco Slay Jello Shot Gel. But it does have some hold to it. I will get at least 4 good days of this wash and go before I have to probably put it in a puff. But overall, I really like it. I'm wearing my hair in a different style than I usually do, just something fun and cute, and I like how that came out as well. My curls are looking good. I still have some movement. So yeah, overall, I definitely think this is a winning combination. This Mielle leave-in conditioner and Auntie Jackie, a winning combo in my book. This is the first time I've ever paired these two together, and I think the results are pretty nice. I will be playing with this combo again, I'm sure. Alright, you guys, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. If you did enjoy it, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. That really does help my channel. I love you guys, and I thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then,